Hi, I'm Mr. eTutor, your mystery tutor here at mysterytutor.com, and welcome to video module 6-6. In just a moment, we'll start explaining the best way to approach the SAT math from a strategic standpoint. We're assuming, of course, that you've already mastered the basic concepts available in our free downloadable document. For a copy of that document, please refer to video 6-5. In the next module, I'll begin laying out a systematic plan of attack for the SAT math section that you can use. But before we get into that, I'd like to point out one striking fact about the SAT math section that very few people appreciate. It may shock you when you hear it. In fact, you may think I don't know what I'm talking about, but please, give me a second and I'll explain. Believe it or not, every single real SAT math question can be answered in less than 30 seconds if you find the fastest way to do it. That might seem difficult to believe if you've never heard it before, but trust me, it's true. What separates high-scoring SAT math takers from low-scoring SAT math takers is not a greater awareness of mathematical concepts. Instead, it's a greater willingness to look for fast, simple, easy ways to solve problems. As we'll see in a few moments, when we look for fast, simple, easy ways to solve real SAT problems really written by the College Board, we often find that the College Board has provided those ways for us to use. What makes math challenging for most SAT takers is that they never look for these easy ways to approach problems. So remember, as we continue through the coming modules, learning strategies to apply to the SAT math section, the goal is always to look for a solution to every problem that can be done in less than 30 seconds. And usually the solution can be done in much less than 30 seconds, sometimes even as few as 5 seconds. I know, this may sound hard to believe right now, but if you keep watching, I'll give you some good examples and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So remember, it doesn't have to take longer than 30 seconds, and that's just one more reason why it's easier than you think.